Hi friends, welcome you to my channel Where to Learn MS Excel. Today we will learn some advance of if function which is nested if. Firstly we will understand where we used nested if. Nested ifs are used when you need to test more than one condition and it returns different result depending on those tests. Or you can simply say that testing more than one condition is nested if. Okay, so let us understand it by one example. Here you can see we have list of a student and their marks obtained in the examination. So now my requirement is that I have to segregate that student's name according to his marks. For example, the student who has scored greater than and equal to 60 marks, he will be in the category of first division. Similarly, who has scored greater than and greater than or equal to 40, then he will be considered as second division, and those who scored marks less than 40, he will be considered as a fail student. So here we go, equal to if function. Here logical test I will give f5 if it is greater than or equal to 60. Then what I need here? I need here first division. Okay. Now if false, so what I will do here, I will again use if function. If logical test value again f5 if this is greater than or equal to 40. Okay, then I need the value second division. Okay, if not, the value will show as fail. Okay, so here you can see that I have used if function in one if function, means if function in another if function. Okay, now I will copy and paste it since here. Okay. So now you can see the result. Rahul, who has scored 90 marks in the category of first division, David, who has scored 40, exact 40, then he is considered as a second division. 41 second division, 64 first division, 45 second division. For example, I am taking Sonil. He or she obtains marks less than 40. We can type here 39. So he will be considered as a fail student. Okay. Here I want to conclude, when if function is used in another if function, it will be considered as a nested if. So that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you very much.